Welcome all. My name is Raj Bargi. I am co-founder and director of Raj Computer Education. The purpose of this channel is to provide educations and placements to the people so they can get job into proper IT field and get placed. Today we'll be talking on something called as like basic understanding of 3D model in AutoCAD. So how to start with that? So this is your basic drawing, basic AutoCAD software. So when you come to this AutoCAD software, things are very much simple. So what are they? See, when you click on this option, you'll be getting few options here. It is saying something called as draft view, it is saying basic 3D and 3D model. You will be going for something called as basic 3D. When I click on this basic 3D and wait for a few seconds, I'll be getting some different kinds of options here. So my menu bar has been changed. It has been changed from home, it has changed to visualization, insert and view, manage, out, add-ons, 360, export and so on. Fine. Now, if you are going for first option, this is the first option you should know. You will be understanding the basics of these few options here. So we'll be going for first one, two, three, four, and five options today. So when it comes to 3D, it is having all three dimensions. So when I come to box, I'm just holding there for 1 minute. Yeah. See, when I go for box, it is asking me for three parameters. The first parameter is my x coordinate, that is one. The second is my second corner of the box, that is two, and that is it is asking for height. See, there it has been specified that the base of all box is always drawn perpendicular to xy plane of the current UCS, and then height is given. So I click on this now. I click on home. Fine. This is my box now. I click on this box, and so my command is executed. Box. Then it is asking for first corner. This is my first corner. Then it is asking for second corner, and then it's asking for height. So I'm specifying height as a 10 unit. This box is drawn. And this is the first step. I'm just trying to zoom it in. So this is my first box. So when I go to second parameter, the second is regarding cylinder. Cylinder also talks in the same way. It talks of something called a center of your circle. Then it talks of radius you want, and then again height. So again there are three parameters. So I click on this center. I click on this as my first coordinate. It is asking me for radius. So I'm going for radius which is of 5. So my radius is 5. Now to go for a height. So what height I prefer? I prefer same height, that is 10. So it is saying height is 10. I will say yes. I say enter. Height is that. Third important thing, I'm going for something called a cone. Now what is cone? Na? Cone is circular in the base, and as it goes top, it shrinks. छोटा होता जाएगा, बराबर है. So again we have to have three parameters: center, radius, and then height. So I click on cone. So I'm choosing this center. So we are going for conical. So I click on this conical, that is third option. I choose center here. That is my center point. Then I specify radius. I will specify again radius same 5 only. Height same height, that is 10. I'm drawing it to the 10. My arrow is down, so it has drawn downwards. If it is up, it is going to draw upwards. Fourth important thing, this is spare. This is like your ball. So when it comes to ball, you have to specify only two things. That is center and what? Center and radius. So I click on this. I specify the center point here. Fine. It is asking for the diameter. I will going for same diameter. Sorry, radius. The radius is 5 only. So I specify radius as a 5 and click enter. So that is done. The last option is That is pyramid. Pyramid is similar to cone, but it is in nature, this square in nature. So again, it has center. Then we have to specify distance from the center to mid, that is edges it is going to have, and then specify height. So I click on this. I click on this first option. This is that. It is asking me for same inscribe radius, that is inside radius. So I say it is 5. I click on this and I go upstairs now, and I say the height is 10. This is done. So this is all the basics what we have. This is regarding 2D drawing, and this is shown with the help of this option. Now this is west side, south, north, east. I can see top view of this. So from top view it looks this way. I click, come back to the home. That is the layer I draw on. Then I can rotate this. So on rotation things changes. Fine. I can click on again front. It gives me front side. And when I click on this and try to rotate as I want, fine. I can rotate. I can spin. I can do anything with this. Clear? Fine. That's all. Practice this, and then we'll be coming step by step to second stage tomorrow. Thank you.